What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street. If you are part of the ODS squad, you should recently have seen my challenging myself to make a minimalist wardrobe. Now, in the comment section, a bunch of you asked for the lookbook video, which is awesome, but it's still a little bit too cold outside to shoot that. That's coming up soon. Today, I just have a bunch of outfit inspirations in studio for you. I'm gonna run through these 12 pieces, including the boots down there. I updated the wardrobe a little bit just because we're going more into spring now, so you'll see a few pieces that you didn't see in the last video, but I think you'll catch on rather quickly. So without further ado, let's jump right in and see how many looks I can make with this wardrobe to show you guys how versatile a minimalist wardrobe really can be. Make a walkthrough.
There's the mirror.
Thank you. Oh, it's the big one. Got it. I think you might have to hold that. I can see it's like, yeah, that's here. That's here. I mean, yeah, okay, I guess that works a little bit, yeah. I win all of my competitions. Yeah, I good sometimes, very good. My job, I do it well. And that is all of the looks that I chose to come up with today. Obviously, the options are somewhat limitless. Not all of the looks look super different, but that's also not the point of this. You're just trying to not actually repeat outfits, but stay within the same minimal vibe. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments down below with questions, thoughts, or concerns. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, change that and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the new videos that come out multiple times a week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon with the next video, and until then, stay minimally dapper. Bye. Are you sick, child? Is there a new jingle now? ODS Squad! ODS Squad. No? Okay.
Oh god.
A little underboob? How do you feel about what's being said right now, Charlene?
I'm not listening to you guys.
See?
Feel neglected.
Women.
Women.
I've
Women
taught